The Hisense 55U7 Mini-LED is a game-changer for anyone who's ever struggled with a TV that can't quite keep up with their fast-paced lifestyle. With its lightning-fast 165Hz refresh rate, you'll never have to worry about blur or lag again. Every action on screen is crystal clear, from the most intense sports moments to the most heart-pumping gaming sessions. But what really sets this TV apart is its ability to tackle even the brightest rooms with ease. The anti-glare layer and advanced dual-layer screen treatment work together to minimize reflections and glare, ensuring that your picture stays crisp and clear no matter where you are in the room. And then there's the incredible color accuracy, thanks to Hi-QLED Mini-LED Pro technology, which features thousands of mini-LEDs. You'll experience vibrant, lifelike pictures that truly bring your favorite shows and movies to life. From the rich colors of a team uniform to the deep greens of a lush forest, every scene is a feast for the eyes. But it's not just about aesthetics. This TV is also a powerhouse of motion technology, thanks to its native 165Hz refresh rate and advanced AI processing. This means that fast-paced action stays smooth and fluid, even in the most intense scenes. And with its Hi-View AI Engine Pro, you'll never have to worry about motion blur or lag again. Every frame is perfectly optimized for a stunning viewing experience. And let's not forget about the sound. The 2.1.2 multi-channel surround system delivers rich, full sound that reaches you from all angles, making every whisper, every rumble, and every note feel alive. It's like having a personal audio engineer at your command, fine-tuning the sound to perfection with just the touch of a button. But what really gets me excited about this TV is its ability to make recommendations based on what you've watched before. With Fire TV's smart features, you'll never have to scroll through endless lists of options. The TV knows exactly what you're looking for and can pick up where you left off in seconds. And with Alexa Plus at your command, you can ask what to watch next and get personalized recommendations that are tailored just for you. So if you're tired of struggling with a TV that can't keep up with your fast-paced lifestyle, the Hisense 55U7 Mini-LED is the solution you've been waiting for. With its lightning-fast motion, incredible color accuracy, and powerful sound system, this TV is truly the ultimate entertainment experience.